Tisha B'Av, one of the thoughts that keeps racing around in my mind is the fact that I have the incredible privilege of belonging to such a unique nation that because of something that they once had, they fast an entire day and night and mourn. And yearn for that thing 2,000 years later, something which they passed down. This yearning, these ideas, and the significance of those events are the essential core of our being, both as individuals and as a nation. When I reflect on the fact that I am one more link in such a chain of people who are able to drop everything one day a year and focus on that which is missing and that which is yet to be done and that which is incumbent upon us to do, not because I think Hashem has to take care of all these things for us. I know that we have to take care of these things, but I also know that if we had not successfully maintained this historical memory, yearning for ideas and realities and institutions that we have not had for so long, if we were not successful in transmitting these ideas over thousands of years, then we wouldn't be here today and we would have nothing to discuss. We wouldn't have all that tremendous and on the one hand daunting, on the other hand uplifting tasks, endeavors that we must take upon ourselves. But precisely because we have not been able as yet to get our act together, to put our house in order and to create the momentum, the understanding, to take the yearning and the history and the memories and the traditions and channel them into an unstoppable force that will change the flow of history and will bring about the inevitable, inexorable result. It is precisely because we have not succeeded in so doing as yet that we must continue to fast. And at the same time, we can feel and must feel very privileged to belong to such an incredible nation as our own.